Think you've seen all the cool gadgets already? Not even close. Here are 5 genius Amazon inventions blowing up in the USA right now. And trust me, wait till you see the last one. Number 1. The Fingerprint Bicycle Lock? No keys, no codes, just your fingerprint. Quick unlock, rock-solid build, and totally theft-proof. Every cyclist in 2025 needs this level of security. Number 2. The JBL Boombox 3. This isn't just a speaker, it's a powerhouse. Thunderous bass, crystal highs, and built to handle any party. Portable luxury sound anywhere you take it. Number 3. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 e-bike conversion kit. Turn your regular bike into an electric beast. Clip it on in minutes. No tools, no hassle. More speed, more range, without buying a new bike. Number 4. The 2-in-1 roller skates shoe. Sneakers by day, roller skates by night. Switch from walking to rolling in seconds. Fun, fast, and guaranteed to grab attention. Number 5. The Gravstar Sirius Pro earbuds. And here's the one I told you to wait for. Wireless earbuds with insane sound and a futuristic sci-fi design. Music, calls, gaming, these make you feel like you're in 2050. So guys, which of these inventions would you flex first? For me, those earbuds are next level. Drop your pick in the comments, hit subscribe, and let's keep discovering the coolest gadgets in America together.